Hi guys, it's Veronica from Veronica's Ventures. Today we're going to be talking about public relations, PR. What is it? Why do you need it? And how do you do it? Stay tuned to hear 12 strategies to help propel your business with PR. So what exactly is public relations? PR is how you shape your image and build relationships with anybody your company communicates with. Your clients, your customers, your investors, your employees, anybody. An organization of any size can benefit from good PR because you're always constantly communicating. You are engaging in PR in your day-to-day business without even realizing it. So wouldn't you rather do it with intent? And that way you can communicate the message that you actually want your customer to hear. Okay, so first we're going to be talking about 6 general principles of PR. The generalities of how you build relationships with PR. Very first one is tell your story. Humanizing your brand or adding the human element, your face, your story to your business or to your strategic positioning in the marketplace is huge. You want to tell your customer what makes you special. Why are you unique? Why should they go with you? Being authentic will help forge that emotional bond. That's what building relationships is all about. Number 2, stay informed. So you need to know what's going on in your industry, in your field. Do networking, attend conferences and seminars, even if they are virtually. Stay informed with industry news so that you can communicate that effectively. You want to be perceived as knowledgeable. Number 3 is be helpful. So in the next section, I'm going to be talking about specific strategies that you can take to start your PR today. However, while you're doing that, you want to make sure you are being helpful. You want to make this about helping the other person, not just promoting yourself. You want to let them know what's in it for them, and you want to make it as easy as possible. That leads to my next tip. Do your homework. Know who you're pitching to. Spend some time browsing their social media, their web pages, and know what it is that they do so that you can present your pitch in the appropriate way. Tailor-made, customized for them. Follow through. So you want to deliver as promised. If you've told somebody you're going to do something, you need to do it. It's all about building that relationship and trust, and that goes both ways. So number 6 is follow trends. Okay, so not all of us can afford a fancy PR firm, but we can see what they're doing. So look at your closest competitor, who is possibly bigger than you, who has a PR firm. See what kind of public relations they're engaging in. Use that as a guide to help your public relations as well. Hi guys, it's Veronica from Veronica's Ventures. I post new videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. My videos are quick and simple how-tos for professional and personal growth and development. I share my journey and the life hacks I learn along the way to help you be successful too. In other words, I do the research so you don't have to, because who has time for that? Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new content. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. So now on to the 6 tips and strategies to actually help you do it. What is it that you need to do to start public relations today? First, take advantage of media coverage. The media is already there. People are already watching. They already have a customer base. So if you can pitch a story to them and get them to frame it in a favorable way towards you, you're basically getting free advertising. That's definitely worth it. So number 2, share your expertise. What is it that you do? Create short videos, make a blog, something that will show your customers a little bit of your expertise and bring them in knowing that you are knowledgeable and friendly, or whatever it is that you want your PR to communicate. Number 3, monitor your mentions. Make sure that you go through and follow your mentions. Look at your replies if you've posted something, especially if it's a negative review, make sure you respond promptly. And if it's a positive review or comment, then make sure you thank them for commenting or for following up with you. Number 4, give back. There are so many different ways that you can give back to the community. You could sponsor a fun run. You could sponsor a local sports team, like Little League, is super cute. You can organize a beach cleanup day and to have all your employees go. You could volunteer at an organization or donate to an organization and encourage your employees to do so. There are lots of ways that you can give back, and some of them won't cost you a cent or will cost much, much less than traditional marketing. Number 5, create resources. So we've already talked about sharing your expertise, but you want to develop a catalog or an archive of some sort that will promote those articles or those resources that you've made already. You can repurpose them and create a database where your clients can go. That way when you're not available, they can go do that. Even reporters could go do that. You could reference them to something you've already done. Simple, easy peasy. And number 6, this may be something you don't want to hear, but consider outsourcing. Experts do it best. So of course, not everyone has this option. Not everyone can afford to hire a PR firm, but you can consider outsourcing it or outsourcing parts of it. Outsource your blog post, outsource your video editing. I do that, by the way. Whatever you do, just know that every day you're engaging in PR. You want to communicate effectively and promote yourself in a way that favors your brand and the identity that you want to build in the marketplace. If you've gotten anything from this video, please give it a like. and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any new content. Also, comment below and let me know what it is that you liked and if there's any topic that you'd like me to cover in the future. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.